APC no be national party. Tambuwal na im talk this one. The chairman of the People's Democratic Party Governors Forum (PDP-GF), Governor Aminu Waziri Tambuwal of Sokoto State, don describe the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) as party wey no get enough national spread to represent the interest of Naija pipo. Governor Tambuwal tok dis one ahead of the meeting of the PDP-GF for Ibadan, Oyo State, where Governor Oluseyi Makinde host 5 of im colleagues in honor of the forum. Tambuwal say the meeting of the PDP-GF hold promise say by God's grace 2023, Nigerians go triumph against all the evils wey dey work against them. Im say the situation of the country na for everybody wey dey committed to Nigerian state to put hands together make growth for dey. According to am, na plan work for APC because dem feel say dem no get representative for Southeast to replace the ex-governor of Imo State Emeka Ihedioha with Hope Uzodinma. But God come intervene give Edo State to Governor Godwin Obaseki wey make South correct PDP member. Im say dem even try to manipulate Edo State election, but God come use am show say APC no be national party as e no get national spread. The chairman say na clarion call for all leaders and people of the country to work together to rescue Naija. For the remark of Governor Oluseyi Makinde wey host the event, say even if na 6 governors na im dey there, the 6 geopolitical zones dey well represented. Na im be the difference between the two parties sake of say APC no get representative for South. The Director General of PDP-GF, CID Madubum, for im statement say the meeting go further review the current state of the nation, especially economic and security wahala, and also plan on how to use PDP as necessary alternative to APC administration. Other ogbonge governors wey attend the gala night na Samuel Ortom of Benue State, Amadu Umar of Adamawa State, Doye Diri of Bayelsa State, and Ifeanyi Ogwuanyi of Enugu State. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.